In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to chart using TradingView and how to transfer your TradingView charting to get the best entries over on Pocket Option, because if you don't know, you can't trade on TradingView on the broker Pocket Option. So you just have to go to the website and pull up a different tab. But I will be showing you guys how to make the best entries to get a 90% win rate on a 5-second strategy using these charting strategies. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Latta. No, not King Lottie. No, not King Latte. No, not King Lettuce, but King Latta. Because over here on Black Investor Group, we make a lot of money, and I teach you how to make a lot of money in the easiest ways possible. And I do post a lot of videos over here on this channel every single day, so subscribe to the channel and join the family. But before we start this video, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. And the links in the description over on the Patreon, we have multiple different ways on how to make money. Anywhere from how to make money in crypto, how to trade, guys, how to make money in the trucking industry, and even how to make money on social media. So whatever niche you need, in the links in the description, we have ebooks available for only as little as $5. And guys, I do offer coaching calls. So if you want to reach out to me, because I know a lot of you still have questions after the videos, you can reach out to me for a 10 to 30 minute conversation for only $10. So check out the link in the description, and let's get right into this video on how to chart to get the best 5-second entries. Let's get it. Woo! Guys, I'm gonna make this video a little short, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to see if I can get y'all 3 good trades. Let's see if by the end of this video if we can get 3 good trades. Let's see if we can be 3 out of 4, 3 out of 5 at the least. And let's just see if this strategy will work, which I know it will. But I'm just trying to prove to y'all that this 5-second strategy works with these indicators and with this trading method. So if you take a look at this, we have Intel Corporation on the TradingView website, guys. So if you don't know what TradingView is, it's a website where you could get the most accurate charts. Okay, you can use all types of tools to, you know, get the most accurate drawings that you need, the most accurate decisions that you need to make, guys. You can make notes on here on the text right here, guys. And you can also even have the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a big help when you are trying to find your zones, guys, because these Fibonacci will kind of make or break you when you're trying to find these zones. But we're going to leave that alone for right now. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is my charting from yesterday, and this is what I found on yesterday's. And you can find yesterday's video, you know, on how to trade binary options like Forex. You can go right here, check that video out, and get into learning how to trade binary just like Forex, because essentially it's the same. You know, it's just with binary you have an expiration time, and with Forex, guys, you don't. You can pick whenever you want to get out, and your trades can be lasting for a full week on Forex. With binary you can only do, you know, 4 hours at a time. But anyways, guys, this is what I was charting yesterday, and as you can see, these are the zones. This is where I was really deep into it at right here at the time I was on. And we have a big downtrend on the Intel, guys. On TradingView, we have a big downtrend. And then, you know, a big strategy that I always go over with you guys in every single one of my videos is, you know, these M's and these W's. Okay, these M's and these W's are very essential when you are trading, because if you look here, guys, you see in this circle, you see a big, hold on. Alright, so you see a big W right here, guys. Obvious W right here in this circle. And then you come right here, you see a W right here in this circle. And what do you notice after this W? You notice, you see a W, boom, we shot up. You know what I mean? Here goes another W right here in this small area right here. W, boom, we're going to shoot up. Come down, shoot up a little bit more. And then right here we have a YW, but we still shot up over the previous candlestick on the peak of that middle W, guys. So once you see that W, guys, or either a M, it means that it's gonna fall down. So right here I had the perfect, right here, guys, I'm sorry, I had the perfect, you know, knowledge to know that this chart was gonna go down. And if I was doing Forex trades, I would, you know, have placed a downtrend, a put call, because just look at this. We have a downtrend, a lot of support and resistance. Look at these zones right here. It never passed this zone, and you know, this is the time frame I was at. I stopped, you know, looking at it right about here, and as you can see, guys, I even put the M right here. You see that line, these blue lines? That is the M. That was a small M that formed. And after that M, guys, we just went straight down. We just went straight down, guys, on the chart. Just look at this. Boom. And this is where we're at today. So if you guys were Forex trading, this would have been a hefty win for you. I might need to start a Discord, you know what I'm saying? Put my live chats on here and you guys can get free play, because you could have been up, 200% on that, 200 pips or whatever you want to call it. But for this strategy today, we're going to look right back at Intel on pocket option. Now, I don't love Intel, but I'm just trying, since I already was on this chart and I was already right about it. Now it looks like we're starting to come back up. If you can see, we have a lower high right here and then a higher low, and it looks like this is gonna be a lower high, but we have support and resistance going on right now. So over on pocket option, we can see a more steady graph, guys. So if we go to the 5-minute, maybe we'll see a more zigzag pattern type. As you can see here, guys, we are on a M formation, and like I said, this is why we use TradingView, because as you can see on TradingView, we were able to have a lot of space to see what this chart was doing. You see how much time we can go back. We can go back a whole day if we wanted to. We can go back a whole 2 days to see what this chart is doing. So we're on a major downtrend right now, and then we're trying to peak back up right now, but we have support and resistance, so this could come back down and make another higher low. So we're on pocket option, and now we see a M formation in the 5-minute chart at 11 hours, guys. So this is only 11 hours ago on a 5-minute chart. So we are on a downtrend, of course, as you can see, and we just want to go to the 3-minute chart and see what's doing on the 3-minute chart, because this is the 5-second strategy. 5 seconds. You want to scalp, or you want to chart, you want to do your grafting, whatever you want to call it, guys. You want to start at the highest time frame first. So you might even want to start with 10 minutes. You know what I mean? Might want to start at 10 minutes. See what this chart is doing. Downtrend. We got a lower high, and then we got a higher low. So if you don't like how that looks, you can go to a different stock, guys. You know what I mean? So we're more supporting and resisting right here. You don't like that? Go to American Express. I like to do American Express, but that looks funky. So, let's just go back to Intel. You know what I mean? We're on an M formation, which we love. And now we have a big green candle. Now we're starting the new 10-minute time frame, and it's starting off red. So let's just see what it's doing on that 5-minute. And we've been in the red for a good little minute on this 5 minutes. This is the last 3 minutes. No, this is the last 5 minutes right here, guys, where you see this green candle, and boom, a lot of red, but we have 2 big green candles right here. So we might just start coming back up, but we're gonna have support and resistance, of course, right here, and it's probably not gonna start coming back up to right here, or it's gonna start going back down. So for this 5-second strategy, what you want to do is you want to be scalping on the 1-minute time frame most of the time, because these are the most accurate candles you're gonna see for the time frame that you want. So as you can see, we've been on a downtrend for a couple minutes, and then from 1437 to 1452, so almost about 20 minutes, we have been going up. So as you can see, guys, from the 5-minute time frame, we're going down. All right, we're going down and we're going up. So we're going up a little bit, but as you can see, the overall trend is a downtrend. So this could reverse easily back the other way and continue this M on a zigzag. All right, this stochastic down here right here could just fall right back down and just break all of that trying to be a W and just be a complete M and just fall back down. But anyways, that's the 5 minutes, so that's why you want to go to the 2 minute. See what it's doing on the 2 minute. We have a perfect M, and now it's trying to come back up. So now you see that it's trying to come back up, and for your entries, guys, you want to be on a 30-second time frame. You want to be on a 30-second time frame, and you want to make sure that your time for trading is on 5 seconds and not at a random time, Pacific time like this. So make sure you're on 5 seconds. And once you guys are confident in your trade, so what you're gonna do is, you see it's 30 seconds right here. We're at second 20. So you just want to analyze this candlestick. You want to analyze the past. All right, so this isn't a good spot to trade, but we're going to try it anyway just to show you if this method works or not. So we're going to analyze this candle until it hits back up to 30 seconds, and then when it does, in the first 5 seconds, whichever way it is going is the way you want to trade for the next 5 seconds. So it's going up and we keep going up, so we're going to trade up again, and for the next 5 seconds it went down. So it didn't work there, guys, but let me tell you why it didn't work in that instance. This is why you want to do history. Even though I lost, don't look at me like you just lost and you're trash. No, this is a learning experience, and it's a learning experience for you as well. And I'm going to show you how to correct this, why it lost, because I know why it lost. I placed it to see if it was going to win because of the strategy, but this is why you have to analyze your previous candles. So that trade just lost because we have a big green candle right here. We have a big green body, and if you see the wick on that, guys, it went all the way up here. It touched this Bollinger Band right here, but it came back down. So we had some support and resistance, and then boom, right here we have a red candle. And so on this open candle right here, oh, actually it was this red candle right here. So we have a lot of support and resistance right here. So it's not really gonna go up past this blue mark again because these previous candles were red. So it's not gonna just shoot up just like that. It's gonna take more time. As you can see, now it's starting to try to shoot up. It's not gonna shoot up instantly after, you know, 3-4 candles. So we're on this next one. It may shoot up some more, but just because we are all the way out of the Bollinger Bands, let's see what this does on the next 5 seconds at second 30. If it continues to go up, all right, so we're going down. So we're going to get that thing on the down just because it's out of the Bollinger Bands, guys. You're going to hit that resistance at some point in time. So as you see, we just won that trade because it was out of the Bollinger Bands. Even though it went red-green or green-red, guys, it's still out of the Bollinger Band. So I knew since once that little red came, you see a couple more green, get it at the highest point, and then boom, it's gonna drop back down. Now that's not always the case, but as soon as it hits the Bollinger Bands, you're gonna have some support and resistance, and then once it breaks it more and more, that's when you could go with the trend, go up, guys. But let me show you again if this strategy works. So we have a big bullish and a big bearish candle body right here, and they're pretty equal almost. So on this next candle, it's supporting and resisting pretty good. It looks like it's want to go back down, but it just went back up. So in the next 30 seconds, we have been green, red, green. And right here, guys, you wouldn't place a trade just because we have went green, red, green. So when you go green, red, green on this 5-second strategy, it's too risky because in the next 5 seconds, you can go green, red, green again, and your trade can get lost in literally the last second or the last millisecond even if it goes green, red, green, guys, because it's indecisive. You want that candle to be decisive. So at the new 30, we're going down. So I'm gonna keep going down because we just went back up. The support came, and now we're gonna come back down. All right, so we went down for the first 5 seconds, and what you love to see, this is the sniper right here. This is the sniper strategy. What you love to see when it goes down for that first 5 seconds in a constant color, guys. If it's green, if it goes up for the first 5 seconds and then it comes down a little bit, you want to get it, boom, as soon as it hits that lowest point, and then it's going to go back up. If it's been green for those first 5 seconds, or if it's been red for the first 5 seconds, it's going down, and then at like second 26, because it's the first 5 seconds of that 30-second chart, at second 26, you see it starting to go back up. You want to hit it, boom, at that highest point, so it'll go back down. And as you can see, we just won right there. So we have a big bullish candle right here. Let's see on this next 30 seconds what it will do. It might just go down again, guys, and it went down, so we just went back up. We want to place it back down to get that sniper entry, and boom, trade closed. So now we are 2 out of 3. So let's see if we can get another one to get that 4 out of 3. To get that 3 out of 4. My fault, guys. I'm not editing this video, so all these mistakes is gonna be in there. But let's see if we can get that 3 out of 4 like I was saying at the beginning of the video. So boom, new 30-second time frame. We're going up, guys. But just because of what this chart is doing, it doesn't want to go up. Oh, and we got it. You know what I'm saying? And we got it. Because it doesn't want to go up. It's going down. So the candle, it's not gonna continue to go up on those first 10 seconds. It's gonna, even if it does go up in the first 5 seconds, I just know because we was just going down for that slight amount of time. You know, a big bullish candle and another candle with a long wick, guys. I just know we're trying to go down. We're supporting and resisting. So I just knew once that support came in, it was gonna tap out and that resistance was gonna get right back in there. So that's how we just won that trade. And now we are 3 out of 4. Even if you lose your first trade, guys, don't let your emotions catch up to you. Please don't let your emotions catch up to you. Emotions is the #1 way you can lose money in this trading industry. I just really hope this video helped you on how to make money, you know, the easy way, how to make money fast. Because, you know, this is a 5-second strategy. And guys, the moment you've been waiting for these indicators, I will go ahead and show you. But all you have to do first is just like the video, you know what I'm saying? If you made it this far throughout the video, you're still watching, you're still paying attention, just like it, you know, if you haven't done so already. And you might as well hit that subscribe button too, you know, it won't hurt, you know, it'll just help me out just because I helped you out on how to make this money the easy way. Even if I made you make $50, you know what I'm saying? I just helped you out in a big way. Now you can get this steak plate at Red Lobster. Hey, lad. But anyway, so we have a moving average right here. We have a moving average of 4 SMA, and this color is red. So this is the red line that you see right here. And then you have another moving average of 9 EMA, and that is the green line, guys. And the pixels don't matter. That's just the thickness of the line. But pretty much with this moving average, as you can see right here, we just crossed and we went up. Okay, guys? As you can see right here, we crossed and we went up. And the moving averages is pretty much, you know, once they cross, the chart is gonna go down or up, guys. It's pretty simple as that. Whichever way the trend is going, you just pay attention to that. Then we have the zigzag tool on default, guys. This is this yellow line you see. That will show you the overall trend. It'll show you those M's and W's that we really love. And then we have a Keltner channel. And like I said, once these candles are outside of this Keltner channel, it's more likely gonna go down like we just did previously right here. Or if it's vice versa, once it's outside right here, it's gonna go up because that means the market is oversold or overbought. So, you know, always. And then also with the Keltner channel, we have this middle line, and these wicks are gonna start touching these middle lines. And once they do that, you're gonna know that, you know, that chart is gonna try to make its way back to that middle line or a lot of resistance and anything like that, man. So as you can see on this candle right here, it touched the middle line, but we bounced all the way back up here, and then we came up some more. So you gotta watch those middle lines. But as you can see, we want to touch that middle line, and you know, once we touch it, that's a good indicator that we're gonna bounce the other way. Especially if we've already been on top of it, we touch it, ooh, hot lava, you know what I'm saying? We don't want to hit it no more, and you just want to bounce the other way. So that middle line is kind of like hot lava, guys. And then we have a fractal of period 2, which is these arrows that you see right here to show you if the momentum is pushing the other way. And then we have a parabolic saw to just back up that fractal to show you how many candles have been placed after this fractal. Okay, guys. And then also down here we have an oscillator and a stochastic oscillator, and these just show you the trends, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see on this trend right here, it's trying to go down, but it's really just supporting and resisting. But as you can see, like right here, we went up, and that's what you see right here, we went up. And then on the stochastic, obvious downtrend means you're gonna go down. Trade with the trend. If you trade with the trend, you're gonna win. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my videos on all throughout my channel. This is Black Investor Group. We post daily. Stay tuned to the family. We're on our way to 100K, man. Join the family. And we'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo! You talking money.